In this video, we're adding music to your videos using Epidemic through Filmora. If you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're part of the creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. This video is part of the Mastermind Influencer Team collaboration. And our founder for the Mastermind Influencer Team is Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living. And the co-hosts are Penny at Penny's Place, Sandy at Grandma Sandy, and myself, Stephanie, at Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, if you're not familiar with anyone's channels, I will have a link to each person's channel along with the playlist down below in the description bar. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to add music to Filmora from Epidemic. Alright, here's a clip I'm going to be using as my video. Now all you do is you go to your Epidemic file, your Epidemic website, your account. You find whatever music you want to listen to. I'm just going to choose the first one, Home for the Holidays. You go over to the arrow that points down that will download it. Click on your download it. You click on Download Full Mix. Now I suggest you have a folder on your desktop where you can file your music in. I will show you how to set that up. You'll go to Desktop, find where it says Desktop at. Desktop, and you click on the screen for desktop, right click on it, and it says new. Click on new, and there's a folder. Click folder. The folder should be the last one on your screen, new folder. Now you're going to right click on new folder to give it a name. And we're going to I'm just going to put music for right now. Okay, so now we have our music folder on the desktop. Now here's the song that I'm saving, Home for Christmas. Now you want to save that in that folder. Of course, you know to click on that folder to make sure it's blue and click open. And then click save. So that music is going to the music folder. Now open up your Filmora and you're going to go to where it says audio. And you should see a folder that says My Music. Click on My Music. And then go to import at the top. Click on import and do import files. Click on files. Then you want to go back to your desktop when it opens. Desktop, and look for your music folder where you just saved your music to. Double click that to open the folder, and then there's your music. Click on your music. Click it twice with the left of the mouse. And it will download your music to Filmora. Now here it is here. Now if you have a lot of music like I do, it'll automatically go to the bottom. But if you don't have any music, it'll be the first one there and you'll see it highlighted. It'll say Home for Christmas. Now next thing you do is you're going to put your arrow on it and you're going to click and hold it with your left button on your mouse. Then you drag it down to below your video and let go. There's your music. Now the music is really high right now, so I'm going to play it and let you hear it. Now that's very loud. So click on your music, double click it, which means click it twice, and you'll see the audio come up. Now bring your volume down to about between 12 and 6, the negative 12 and negative 12 and negative 18. Bring it down between there. That's a good volume for videos. Now I'm going to play it again. Now you've added your music to your video. Now to make sure it's cut short for your video, you go to the end of your film strip and you click on the orange scissors. Once you click on the orange scissors, the part that you don't want will be highlighted. It'll be a white line above it. Then hit your trash can to delete it. If it do it right. Trash. Now you have added music to your video. So we'll play it once again. Okay, now for instance, if you want the music to be low when you're talking, when you have talk on your video, which you do want to be lower, make sure you click on the music twice and then play with the volume so you don't hear the music loud over your voice, because that's very annoying to turn on the video and you're talking but your music is so loud you can't understand what the person is saying. Let me add something on here so you can understand what I'm saying. I'll add this. If I can get it, there it is. I'll add this on here so you can see what I'm talking about when the music is too loud. Okay, now I'm going to play it with the voice. You can't hear the talking at all on that clip. But when I click it and I put it back down to about between -18 and -30 and play it again. Give a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now you can hear the voice clear and the music was low. Now if you want the music lower, you can lower it. But please remember to check it before you upload it, because it is annoying. Again, people will turn off your video if your music is too loud. I hope this bit of information was helpful to you. If you have any more questions about it, let me know down below in the comments. I'll be glad to answer your questions. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.